So this video we are doing for understanding like how was the experience with the examination that you had with University of Georgia. So we'll
Yeah.
ask you questions and these answers will help the students who are further in gonna give the examination. Okay. So first thing, how was your experience while giving the exam? Was it a difficult exam or an easy exam?
I thought it was going to be a difficult exam, but it was very easy. It was all basic questions.
Okay, okay. Can you give example of few questions?
Okay, so for English, everything was fill in the blanks. It was all MCQs. It was mainly about preposition, articles. It was all fill in the blanks. So it's like when you read it, you'll understand the answer because it's how we usually talk. And for physics, chem, bio, it was very basic. It was all eighth grade, ninth grade questions. It was nothing of 11th and 12th. So for bio, I'll give you example. So one question was, in which part of the cell was the DNA located in? Then the other question was, in which cell organelle is ribosome produced in? And so for chemistry, they asked how do you calculate the mass of the atom. Then for physics, they asked like the SI unit of force, energy, which energy is associated with motion and all. It was all basic questions.
The basic question. Do you think there is a need of extra preparation for this?
No, not at all.
If you're a medical student, you can easily do that.
Yeah.
So, how much time it took to you to complete your examination?
So for English, both the exams they gave 2 hours, but for English it took me 20 minutes, and for physics, chem, bio it only took me 10 minutes.
Physics and bio, 10 minutes.
Yeah,
So,
physics, chemistry, and bio, all three together, just 10 minutes.
so in first time only you clear the exam and you got your everything also. Okay.
Yeah,
And as we told you also that the passing is only 50%.
yeah,
So that's how she has also achieved that mark and she has gotten the uh, clarification and the admission letter, final admission letter. That's
yeah.
it, Fatima. Thank you so much. Thank you so much
Thank you.
for Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.